Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of desserts, and we're going to learn how to make a scrumptious pavlova. So, let's get started. Pavlova is a delicious dessert that originated in New Zealand and Australia. It's a meringue-based dish that's crisp on the outside and soft on the inside, with a marshmallow-like texture. It's named after the Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova, who visited both countries in the 1920s. To make the perfect pavlova, you'll need to follow these simple steps. First, preheat your oven to 180 C350F. Then, separate 4 large egg whites from the yolks. Make sure there's no trace of yolk in the whites. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the egg whites until they form soft peaks. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the mixture is glossy and stiff. Fold in 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Gently spread the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Create a slight indent in the center to hold the toppings. Bake the pavlova for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crisp. Let it cool completely before adding the toppings. Now, for the toppings. You can get creative with this part. We're going to use fresh strawberries, kiwi fruit, and passion fruit. Cut the strawberries into halves and slice the kiwi fruit. Arrange the fruits on top of the pavlova and drizzle some passion fruit over it. And there you have it. A beautiful and delicious pavlova that's perfect for any occasion. Remember, the key to a great pavlova is in the egg whites. Make sure they're at room temperature and whisked until stiff. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings. You can use any fruit you like, or even add some whipped cream for a more traditional dessert. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make a pavlova, and we can't wait to see your creations. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!